in every tin god with a badge and a gun. You talk, you preach, you bitch, but your words don't mean a thing. You get what you give, you get what you get, just the way it's always been. I choose death before dishonor. I'd rather die than live down on my knees. Bury me like a soldier with my dignity. Take the ostracized, put your head beneath the sand. Your cup at runneth over, must be rough to live so grand. You reap what you sow, you pay what you owe, lest you bathe yourself in greed. You rob and you take, your world is fake, there's no honor.